Hi, I wanted to show you my Revo slider. It's a model rs1200. It's pretty light. It holds 11 pounds. It's 47 inches long. The legs on it aren't plastic. They're made out of metal. It's got some rubber buttons there on the bottom so it doesn't slide around. When you're using these, you want to make sure that it slides really good. And when you are sliding and shooting, make sure you use both hands to, get a steady glide. You may have to shoot a couple times to make sure you get a good shot. It comes with a level. There's a little level here, right in here, so make sure you're leveled. One of the bad parts about this is in order for you to connect your ball here, you have to unscrew. There's a couple screws here. You unscrew it, slide it out, connect your ball on. Once you got it screwed in, you slide it in and then reconnect your feet. What else? Yeah, other than that, it's a pretty it's a pretty good slider. It's not like the ball bearing one. The ball bearing ones, I mean, you could push and it'll slide all the way out of here, but obviously those cost more. And then they have the ones with little motors on them that automatically slide, and then the more expensive ones you can control with your droid. Let me get this one attached to. I'll show what it takes to attach to a tripod. You can use some light stands. It's got 1/4 and 3/8 holes. You got 3 sections. You got one here, and one here, and you have some additional holes here in case you want to screw it up against the wall and get some different effects there. But you can screw 2 light stands, so if you want to have 2 points of it being held, or you've got the center one here. Typically they'll just use your tripod to hold it here, and I'll show you that here in a second. As you can see, I've got my tripod here. Got it locked down. Of course, you got your plate, and you just slide it in to connect. But before that, you want to connect our glider to it. And of course, you just screw it in. It's nice and tight. Center it. And then all you do is just slide and connect it in. Tighten it. Okay, this is where your level comes in. Make sure it's nice and level. You're good to go. All you got to do is just attach your camera. Now, some really cool shots is to, as you can have some angled shots here, and to do that, you just adjust your ball and get it to a position to where on the ball you're reading level. And once you're level, of course your camera's sitting here, and you just start it. Just like that. Anyway, you'll see some shots that I did, and you can see some of the samples that I shot, and I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe if you could, please. That'd be great. Anyway, take it easy, guys. I hope this helped. Bye.